This wireless caregiver pager could be the simplest device to save a life. This is perfect for aging parents or anyone who is in need, could potentially be a fall risk, or just to be able to call someone easily to get someone's attention when needed. It comes in a 2-pack. It comes with 2 pagers and 2 receivers. So easy to use. Right out of the box, it's ready to go. There's no pairing, there's no Wi-Fi connectivity. It syncs with each other. Each button connects to both receivers. So either one that you press will page both receivers. So it's super easy. Again, this is right out of the box. I've never seen something this easy to use. And let me show you up close as well. It's that simple. Just push the button. It's a really big button, so even elderly people with harder of sight can be able to press it easily. And on the receiver itself, there are volume buttons to be able to make it louder or quieter. And there's even a different ringtone button. It has 38 different sounds, so it doesn't have to just be ding dong, ding dong. There can be all these different sound effects, so you can have it customized for how you want it. It'll light up and make the sound of your choosing. 38 selections. It works from over 350, or it works to 350 meters distance, so you are good. I have them here just in 2 different areas just so you can see how easy it is to use, but you'll be able to hear them both. They can be the same or different ringtones. Right now I have them on 2 different ringtones. But this, again, this is a life-saving device. So it is such a cheap, simple way to make sure your loved ones are cared for and are protected. 1,000,000% recommend this. Thank you to the brand for providing this for me.